Welcome back to Money Insight. In today's video, we're diving into 15 ways to make money online without spending a single dime. Yes, you heard that right. 15 ways to make money online without spending a single dime. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a way to boost your income or work from home jobs, these strategies can be done right from your phone. 1. Freelance Work. Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. You can complete tasks using your phone. 2. Online surveys and reviews. Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Participate in online surveys, watch videos, and write reviews to earn points or cash. 3. Sell photos. Foap and Shutterstock. If you're good at photography, you can sell your photos through these platforms. 4. Social media management. Offer social media management services for businesses or individuals looking to enhance their online presence. 5. Online tutoring. Check tutors and tutor.com. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can tutor others online. 6. Stock trading and investing. Use mobile apps like Robinhood or eTrade to invest in stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. 7. App testing. User testing. Get paid for testing and providing feedback on mobile apps and websites. 8. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate marketing on social media or a blog and earn commissions on sales. 9. Sell handmade items. Use platforms like Etsy to sell handmade crafts or vintage items. 10. Remote work apps. Join platforms like Remote OK or We Work Remotely to find remote work opportunities. 11. Delivery and gig apps. Work for apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or TaskRabbit to earn money through deliveries or completing various tasks. 12. Virtual assistants. Offer virtual assistant services, managing emails, appointments, and other tasks for businesses or entrepreneurs. 13. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. 14. Cashback and rewards apps. Use apps like Rakuten, Honey, or Ibotta to earn cashback or rewards for your purchases. 15. Write and publish eBooks. Write and publish eBooks through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Conclusion. So there you have it, 15 ways to make money online, without spending a single dime. If you enjoyed today's content, please like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be notified whenever I make another, money-making video. And if there is any part of the video you don't understand, feel free to ask questions, and I will be glad to answer your question.